So it occurs to me that we never really looked at this car when it was down. It was always up on the lift. This is original. There was no panel work done in the inside here. When you look at it from underneath, you can tell, and you can see some rust too. But all the seats are at least that clean. It does have paint on the roof, but that's about it. Again, it is a shaker car. We're going to go over all the parts we need versus what we've already got. It'd be nice to find another trunk lid, but they're ridiculously expensive. And I'm not sure what they tried to do here. I don't know if they tried to cut this lip off or what. I don't know what they did, but we'll fix it the right way. Of course, for precision operation, you got to use a precision piece of equipment like a skid steer. Okay, so that was a little dicey, but look, we got it in there and hardly left any marks at all on the driveway. So I guess the next step is to clear out some more of this stuff so that we can have a little more room to do some work on the car. Chris got hold of some of the tiniest little stainless Flowmasters you've ever seen in your life. So I guess the car is going to be really loud. We were at the machine shop just a few minutes ago. Block is done. Let's see, what else did he have to do? Oh, crank just came back, so it's going to get back from polish. It just needs to be balanced. And then we're going to try to talk our friend Mike at the machine shop, who doesn't want to be on camera. That's why we haven't filmed any of that stuff. Gonna see if he can put the bottom end together for us. That'll save a little time for us, because we want to get going on this. Chris wants to get a lot of this interior stuff done, cleaned up, and then we'll worry about some simple things we can do now, like we can hit the brakes. We'll get that trans rebuilt in the meantime. But she's starting to come along. And while I told you that the main garage was getting cleaned up, well, this corner got cleaned up so far. The rest, well, not so much. But this is a work in progress. We will have to get this cleaned up soon, because we do have to do some stuff that we can't do on that other lift. But we'll see. So today is unboxing day. I think we got a cam and lifters to unbox. We've got the carpet from, what is this, Auto Custom Carpets? You know, they're not sponsoring us or anything, but it's got the regular jute back.
This is the one.
That looks like vintage carpet. Look at that. It looks good.
That's right. That's a good time
not,
to fit it because the
it's not as molded as I thought it would be, but I suppose it.
See there.
We also got some supplies because, you know, late nights in the garage and all.
And completely.
There's nothing. Wow, that's some pretty fancy packing material there too. Somebody cut up their air mattress and. All right, let's see what it looks like.
All right.
That. No cracks, just needs a little. Oh, it's just some. That's just gunk. That's no problem. Look at that. It's not bad. What'd you pay for these again?
$125 plus the shipping. The shipping was almost as much as the damn light. I mean, the gosh darn light.
You don't have to worry about that. I tell, I mark all of our videos that they're not for kids. So, let's see if the second one looks as good.
You know what else? You know what else should be on its way is that snake.
Oh yeah.
What's up, crazy dog? Okay.
Alright.
Will this one be just as nice?
I don't know. I think they're off the same car from the looks of it.
They're not both the right side either. They're opposite sides. Not bad.
This one's a little crustier, see it?
Yeah.
But you know what, I can find out pretty quick. With this magic.